Hello guys, I want to show you what is possible with the Advanced Message Maker. Here I have an example project which was done with the Advanced Message Maker, and I will introduce you the three types of messages that is possible with this Advanced Message Maker. So first of all, let's see what is this project. We have two main actors, the A is A actor and the B actor. Let's call it A and B. And we have one more actor, which is the S mediator. This one will transmit the messages between A and B actor. For the first time you see it, it may be a different structure that you are used to. This is the structure that I use when I make messages with the Advanced Message Maker, and when I do any actors, this is the structure that I use, and I suggest you to use it if you don't want to change the settings of the Advanced Message Maker. So if you have an actor, make a virtual folder with the name of it, and under that you should have an actor virtual folder and a messages virtual folder. And in the actor subfolder should you have the class of the message. And if you have this structure, then the messages will automatically be inserted in the messages folder. You don't even have to have it, it will be automatically created. So the first type of message is the receive message, which is possible with the Advanced Message Maker. This is the same type of message that was possible with the normal message maker for Actor Framework, although it has more VIs in the class, but it's not really relevant if you only want to use it. By the way, I'm going to introduce you these VIs. This send set new string VI, so the send something VI is the VI which you have to call from another actor to send the message to this actor. It is the same as you could have seen as a product of the message maker, the normal message maker. You have the input to this VI as the data of the message, and when you call it, it sends the message to the receiving actor. This other one is the same. The only difference is here you have a dynamic dispatch class input. You can also use it to send messages. I suggest to use the other one because that's faster, because there is no dynamic dispatching. We will use this other VI, this dynamic dispatch VI, when we will use the send message, but more on that later. The do VI actually gets executed when the message is received by the actor. In the do VI we extract the data from the object wire, and we also receive the actor ID. This actor ID is a new concept, is a part of a new concept which is called the Actor Framework or Actor add-on. The Actor class is a child of the Actor class, and this is also included in the installer of the Advanced Message Maker. When you use an Actor, you have a separate launcher for that, which behaves exactly the same as the actor launch VI, only have some more inputs. And when you use actors, the only difference is the actors have actor IDs, which can be easily handled and easily searched, and it gives you a fast possibility to identify messages, and therefore to route messages from an actor to another actor through a third actor. extremely useful when you have more instances of the same actor launched and you want to differentiate between the actors. Okay, so in the do method, which is called in the do VI, we actually have the data wired to the VI, which is the VI which was the base of the message making. Right now this one is only a property access VI. It writes back this data to the private data of this actor. Okay, the other type, in the B actor we have made another type of message, a send message, and this is more complicated. This has two classes. One is the abstract class and one is the message injection. When we initialize the communication between A and B, we will use the message injection to actually tell the actor which handles the message transmission, that is this S mediator. So we want to tell that actor that what is the actual child of this abstract message that should be called when we call this VI, this sendDD something, then this S mediator VI will know because of the message injection what is the actual child that should be really executed. So as the name says, this is an abstract message. This has nothing inside. It is only here to have an abstract VI which will be overridden later. And the do VI also, it's only an abstract message which will be overridden. The message injection, it has only one VI, and in this VI we send the child information of the actual child receive message. So the child message is a normal receive type of message, and when we initialize the communication we send this info to the actor which has this send message. It may be complicated right now, but later on you will understand. So let's see how it works. This S mediator, it is called S because this is a serial type of message transmitting, because there is only one actor and there may be more messages, and therefore I call it S mediator. So when we initialize this, when we start this actor, we have 4 sub VIs. The init actors is nothing important. We just make an array of actor classes which we later on will launch, and this is important. Let's have a look into it. When we launch these actors, we launch the B actors and the A actors separately. In this example you can launch any number of instances of A and B actors, and the first B actor will be connected to the first A actor, the second to the second, and so on. So when we launch an actor, and the B actor is important because there is a send message inside. So the way we use this message injection is the following. We have a message injection send VI, which sends the message, which sends the child information, and we have to select that where is this, we have to tell this VI where is this actual message injection sending class, and where is the class that we want to send.